Hello, my name is Harry Buttery and I'm going to talk through the updated support in the Pedestrian markup tool for the UN R127 protocol. The Pedestrian markup tool is available through Primer and is used to mark up vehicles and generate pedestrian impact points in accordance with a selection of protocol regulations. Subsequent impact models can then be built from the impact points generated. The tool is updated frequently so as to support newer protocols and amendments. In 2022, a new series of amendments were released for the legal protocol UN R127. To allow for both the older version of the protocol and the new amendments, a new protocol option has been added to the markup tool called GTR/UNR127 2022. The amendments included the addition of two new head impact testing areas, the windscreen and cowl testing areas, each with their own subsequent adult and child zones. The new protocol option in the Pedestrian markup tool allows the calculation of these testing areas. Within the tool, impact points in the windscreen area will be labelled with a W followed by an A or C to signify a windscreen adult or child point, while points in the cowl area will be labelled with a CZ, also followed by an A or C to signify a cowl adult or child point. In addition to the updated UN R127 support, the Pedestrian markup tool now has a new head impact point labeling scheme. For some protocols, the Euro NCAP row and column style labeling scheme may not be appropriate. Therefore, we have now introduced coordinate style labeling. Within this labeling scheme, impact points are labeled based on their zone name and XY coordinates, making it easier to discern the location of an impact point. Now for a quick demo of these new features. After selecting all of the outer vehicle parts, the new UN R127 protocol can be selected from the protocol drop-down menu. The windscreen testing area is defined based on the geometry of the windscreen obscuration and/or the windscreen-free edge. As such, the markup tool requires that either the specification of a windscreen obscuration part, or, if the vehicle model does not contain such a part, this tick box can be turned on to run the calculation with the windscreen-free edge instead. Setting this option also activates an optional pseudo-obscuration width, which can be used to emulate the existence of a windscreen obscuration part. Once the markup has been completed, the tool will offer control over impactor orientation angles and output of impact point CSV files for all zones that exist within the markup. Labeling of impact points will be initially set to follow the standard row-column format. This can be changed to the coordinate labeling system by selecting coordinate from the label drop-down menu. Thank you.